In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos to HubSpot Content Easy 2026 guide. We're going to walk through the simplest way to place a video on a HubSpot website page using the built-in editor. Before you begin, make sure you're signed into your HubSpot account and have permission to edit website pages. If you're working on a live site, it's a good idea to know which page you want to update so you can move through this quickly and confidently. Start on your HubSpot home. From the main navigation, open the More menu to reveal additional tools. Hover your cursor over Content to bring up the content-related options. Then choose Website Pages. This takes you to the area where all of your site pages are managed. Next, open your existing website and select the page you want to edit. This will launch the page editor, where you can add or modify modules in the layout. In the top left corner of the editor, click the plus icon to add a new module. This opens the module library. Use the search bar and type video to narrow down the options so you can quickly find the video module. Drag and drop the video module into the exact section where you want the video to appear. As you hover over the layout, you'll see placement guides so you can snap the module above, below, or within a specific column. If you're following a design system or template, place it in the section that matches your content plan to keep spacing and alignment clean. With the video module selected, look to the settings panel. Under Embed Type, you can choose to use an embed URL or a full embed code. If you have a link from a platform like YouTube, Vimeo, or a HubSpot-hosted video, paste the URL. If your video provider gives you an iframe or a snippet, choose Embed Code and paste it there. A valid URL or code should trigger an instant preview in the editor, which helps you confirm that the video loads correctly. After adding the URL or code, take a moment to review the preview. Check that the video is in the right spot, that it scales well within the column, and that any default controls look the way you expect. If your theme exposes options like alignment, spacing, or aspect ratio in the sidebar, you can fine-tune those here so the video blends seamlessly with your page design. When you're happy with the placement and preview, click Update to apply your changes. That's it. Your video is now added to your HubSpot page and ready for visitors.